Hi, my name's Aaron Loudon, and this is another instalment of my version of Mollies Flying Fish. So this week it tasked us to add the NPU sensor to Arduino and code it. So we coded in such a way that we were getting some usable data from the gyroscope. So this week I blew through a couple of high MUs due to bad soldering techniques, but eventually we got there and I was able to make it work. I've sort of mounted the components with a bit of double-sided sticky tape in preparation for next week, where hopefully I can get it all powered and operating without the use of the computer. So for this week, first off, we've got the test IMU data, and here's my code. Let's run it and see how we go. I'll upload it there now. Let's see how we go. Yep, so I'm getting some values. The one thing I wish I'm not 100% sure on is it'd be nice if all the new values arrived at the top of the screen instead of me having to continually scroll down, but as you can see there from moving this around a little bit, if I quickly go back up there and scroll, some of the data has moved around to reflect the change in orientation. So as you can see, I've taken the raw data here and I have converted it using the above mentioned cell scale and gyroscale. So that's one of the codes that I have to run, and here is the second one. So this is the test angle calculations. I had a little bit of drama with this, getting it. I've got a fair bit of drift, so I haven't really rectified it yet, but I'm pretty happy with how it's ended up. So yeah, we see it's taking off, and we can see there as I'm moving this, my flying house brick, it's sort of, I'm getting some data anyway, but the big problem is obviously when it sits there and it stays a while and boom, takes off. So yeah, it's a little bit annoying, but obviously I've just got to try and figure it out. Outside of that, I've been pretty happy with how it's ended up. Whether or not it's accurate and usable, I suppose we'll find out. But that's it for this week.